Be it metal, carpentry or any other mechanical work, the common thing is the amount of sawdust or mess creating while cutting, grinding or sanding them. Dust collectors are the best answers to deal with this issue. They suck out all the debris so that you can work without any issues. Apart from reducing the cleaning time, it will let you breathe as the waste from these works can be pretty harmful and pose respiratory issues. Before investing, we suggest you consider the following key factors to find your ideal dust collector. There are many products available to choose cheap dust collector, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap dust collector from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ShopFox Dust Collector. ShopFox is a well-known brand that delivers many durable products. They also make a dust collector that we have mentioned here. In the first position, we have a dust collector from ShopFX. The W1685 dust collector has a 10 amp motor that runs at 3450 RPM. Therefore, it can maintain the airflow around 1280 CFM. Compared to other dust collectors, this airflow capacity is significantly better. As for the inlet, it has a Y-shaped fitting that consists of two 4-inch openings. The impeller size on this dust collector is 12 inches. There is a safety switch on W1685 that will prevent accidental turn-on. As of the filter, it has a 2.5 micron standard bag that is necessary for dust collectors. The overall weight of this machine is 108 pounds, which is moderate in the case of dust collectors. The warranty period on W1685 is 2 years, which is quite decent. Number 2. Wen Dust Collector. Next up, we have a dust collector from Wen. Wen is a lesser-known brand that produces many affordable products like this dust collector. We have selected Wen 3401 as our second nomination for the best dust collector. Now, you can keep your garage clean with this 12-gallon dust collector. It houses a 5.7 amp motor that can allow it to absorb 660 cubic feet of air under a minute. The impeller size on this one is 6 inches, and the dust inlet ports are 4 inches wide. It also has a 1/3 inches caster lock that prevents unexpected operation. As Wen is known for their reliability, they are providing 2 years of warranty on Wen 3401 dust collector. It is a very lightweight dust collector as it weighs only 18.6 pounds. Therefore, this can be the best option for you if you are looking for a transportable dust collector. You can also mount this machine on a wall with the help of a built-in wall mounting option. This way, you can keep your workspace free. Number 3. Festool Dust Extractor. Festool is rather a fresh brand that has quite a positive response from their customers. They make a lot of high-rated power equipment, including this dust collector. Festool 574837 is probably the most unique and advanced dust collector from our list. This is a bulky dust collector that is still easy to carry around because of its large size wheels. There are quite a few advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, remote control, touch operation, etc. that will make it a perfect dust collector for your home. It has an 11.5 foot long hose that can be used to collect dust from even distant locations from the machine. You can adjust the speed of operation with the help of a speed adjustment dial. Even with the big form factor, it only weighs 19.2 pounds that make it the most lightweight option from our list. It houses a 10 amp motor that will provide you 130 CFM of air suction capacity. The container available in this collector has a 3.9 gallon capacity. Festool 574837 is backed by a long 3 years of the warranty period. Number 4. Jet Dust Collector. Jet is a reliable brand that makes many durable power appliances. Along with many other products, they make a reliable dust collector too. Jet DC 1100 VX 5 meters is the most reliable option from our picks of best dust collectors, as it comes with a long 5 years of the warranty period. Therefore, you can get free repairs for damages or even replacement in case of faulty parts for 5 years after the purchase. It has a 5 amp 115 volt motor that can provide considerable air suction capacity. The motor has a built-in cooling system that will prevent it from overheating. As it weighs only 8 pounds, it is one of the most lightweight options from our list. Therefore, it's quite easy to move it all around the house or workplace. The suction bag that comes with this dust collector is 5 microns that is thicker than other options. The unique feature of this dust collector is the vortex cone technology that allows better cleaning. Number 5. RIKON Dust Collector. RIKON is a reliable brand providing a wide range of power tools at an affordable price range. Their dust collector has a small and convenient size, which makes it suitable for small shops. In addition to that, compact size provides the versatility to install this unit anywhere you want without any issues. It has the ability to collect up to 2.1 cubic meters of debris. So, you don't have to stop frequently to discard the waste collected. As it comes with wheels, you can easily transport it from one place to another without any additional help. It can filter dust particles up to 2 microns. This product comes with 5-year warranty duration. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.